In this video, we're going to show you how to use Samsara in the event of a DOT inspection. In the event you are pulled over by a DOT officer, everything you will need to show them can be found by going to HOS, DOT Inspection. This inspection page will show your previous 8 days of logs. On the top right of this page, there is an option to transfer logs in case the officer wants a copy to be sent to the DOT. There are a few transfer options available, but the most common and recommended is wireless web services. The officer should instruct you on the method they prefer. There are required in-cab materials per the ELD mandate: the Driver App user manual, the DOT inspection sheet, and paper logs for your previous 8 days. If you do not have any of these materials, you can download them in the description to this video below. In our next video, we will cover how to perform team driving using Samsara.